I am telling you this to be able to understand my own reply. Being a believer of Jesus Christ to the Bible, knowing that the Lord Jesus Christ changed my life. He gave me His love. And do you know what the Lord Jesus Christ said in Matthew 5:43 and 45? This is my answer to her. Ye have heard that it had been said, thou shalt love thy neighbor and hate thine enemy. Vice President Sara, this is my answer to you. Love your enemies. Bless them that curse you. I bless you, Madam Vice President. Do good to them that hate you. Pray for them which despitefully use you. Let me repeat that. Despitefully use you. That's what she did last night. And persecute you. That's what she did last night. In fact, to let you know, I prayed for her several times since last night until early this morning. Kagabi, inimbitahan ng dating mayor ng Maynila ang Vice Presidente ng Pilipinas. Wala siyang ibang tinukoy kundi ako. Hindi niya ipinagmalaki ang ginawa ni Isko Moreno. Hindi niya rin kinampaign ang sino mang kandidato ni Isko Moreno. Isa lang ang kanyang binanatan at siniraan. Si Benny Abante. Kaya ngayon, ako nagsasalita sa inyo to give this message at ang title po ng aking mensahe ay My Answer to the Vice President. My answer to the Vice President. Last night, meron siyang ipinakitang larawan ko na tinawag niyang props. Alright? Gusto kong ipakita dito ang larawan na kanyang ipinakita sa harap ng maraming tao sa punta sa barangay 905. Will you please get the picture out? And I want our people to see that. Ayan. Totoo yan. Hindi AI yan. Totoo na pinicturean ko ang sarili ko at nilagay ko sa aking Facebook account sapagkat naniniwala naman ako ng mga kaibigan ko ang nasa Facebook at kanilang maiintindihan ito. Now, there are two reasons why we Filipinos stick our tongues out. Diba? Number one, jokingly. Sanay tayo doon. We stick our tongue out jokingly. Pangalawa na reason, kapag you stick your tongue out, gusto mong sabihin doon sa tao that you stuck your tongue out, buti nga sa'yo. Tama, mali? Buti nga sa'yo. Ito ay ninakaw ni Vice President sa Facebook ko. Wala siyang karapatang gawin to. Being the Vice President, abogado, matalino, at mayroong pinag-aralan. Tama ho ba ako? But this is just one side of the story. Because in my Facebook account, dalawa ang picture dyan. Pakita mo.
So tingnan natin kung acceptable ba ang paliwanag ni Kong Abante kung bakit niya inilabas ang kanyang mahabang dila at nilagay pa sa Facebook.
Yan ang nakalagay. sa Facebook ko. Ginagaya ko si Albert Einstein. Nakita nyo? Now, I don't think that Albert Einstein stuck his tongue out for disrespect. Hindi ko alam kung sino niya nirespeto. Am I right? I do not know where the Vice President got the idea that when you stick your tongue out, it means disrespect. Ang nakalagay sa Facebook ko. Bakit ginaya ko si Albert Einstein? Sapagkat gusto kong maging katulad niya. Yan ang talagang nasa Facebook ko. O yan. Nilagay ko pa. 11 November 2023. Ano ang sabi ko? Hello again to make more emphatic the Asian and the European genius. He, he, he. What do you say? So, it's actually a joke, isn't it? Actually a joke. But the Vice President used it to attack me before my people in the 6th District of Manila. Yan ang nakalagay sa Facebook. Oo. Inibita ko ang mga staff ko dito para makita nyo na hindi lamang ito isang picture, kundi dalawang picture ito. Mas matangos ka lang ang ilong ni Albert Einstein. Pero halos pareho kami ng buhok. Di ba? Gusto ko rin ko sanang gayahin yung kanyang balbas o yung kanyang whiskers o yung kanyang tawag doon, bigote. Hindi ko na magaya. Yan ang kanyang nilabas. Kagabi. At ang tawag niya, props. Oo. Hindi ko sinasabi to out of anger. Naawa ako sa kanya.
Oh, no!
Hindi ako nagagalit sa kanya. Alright? So,
Okay, sabihin na natin ginagaya mo lang yan, Kong Abante. Panoorin naman natin, gaano ba kabait si Kong Abante sa mga hearings? Lalo na sa TRICOM.
The House Tri-Committee cited 4 social media personalities in contempt for ignoring subpoenas or interfering with a congressional probe on online disinformation. Here's the full story.
A heated exchange erupted between Congressman Benny Abante and vlogger Elizabeth Joey Cruz during the House Tri-Committee hearing on the spread of fake news. Abante took offense at a past statement Cruz made about him.
ang sabi mo, ganito, kung Abante, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayer, tinawag mo akong bakit? Ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun?
We do not know each other personally. Therefore, the statement was said based in a not personal way, but it is an observation.
What is your right to tell me I'm
That is part of my freedom of speech.
The congressman became even more frustrated when he recalled that Cruz allegedly once said she would slap him in the face.
If I tell you right now, sasampaling kita. Freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir, it's overt
Ay, hindi
action
na.
already. Yes,
Hindi
sir.
na, no?
Yes, sir.
Oo, ang galing.
Madam COA, how many agencies of government today are subjected to notice of disallowance? Do you have a number? How many agencies today?
With all due respect to the
Before
honorable...
But that is a question I will leave, and I will
Yes.
terminate
But-
my manifestation, Madam.
Yes, but I will.
I
I would
believe,
like
Mr.
to
Chair, that
respond.
this is still my time.
Yes, but I would like to respond to your manifestation, Congressman Marcoleta.
Parliamentary
Let
inquiry,
me.
Mr. Chair. Parliamentary inquiry
What is
muna.
the parliamentary inquiry of
I
the
would
Honorable
like to
Abante?
ask the Honorable Marcoleta, is he rebuking this committee?
What is the question, Mr. Chair?
Are you rebuking this committee?
Why am I supposed to rebuke the committee? I am
You
not.
have been saying things for a while.
What?
You have been rebuking this committee.
You are
We're
saying
not,
that.
We're not blaming the Vice President on this.
I asked
Honorable
the question.
Marcoleta, we
I asked
are
the
not
question. You do
blaming
have the right to
the-
demand
1 minute,
that.
1 minute suspension is declared by the chair.
Move to suspend.
So, ang bait pala ni Kong Abante, ano? Nagduduro pa. Etong video na to, ito yung isa sa mga hearing sa Bad Government Committee. Dahil hindi nila kaya makipagdebate kay Kong Marcoleta, ganyan na lang ginawa nila. Ginulo na lang.